In this video, we're going to be replacing the rear wiper blade on this Ford Explorer. You want to grab the rear wiper arm and with a pocket screwdriver right around the center of where the wiper blade is, just get underneath there and just pry down. Just pry the wiper blade out. Basically, you're going to go right there and just pry that area down, and you can pop the old blade off. Take the new wiper blade, and it's going to go in that same area. Just line it up and lock it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.